Good morning, guys. We're up to breakfast and we're up, and then mag-gym din pala ako today because I'm done with my dalaw. Ayan na sila. We're just gonna walk kasi matagal yung bagay kapag umagay. Si Ben din pala mag-gym, so we'll take it in turns. We'll take the kids to the kids club and one of us will go to the gym. Ayan, solo namin ang kids pool, you guys. Ang cute nila dyan. We're here at the beach, you guys. Si Ben nasa gym. Hallie's over there. Good swimming, and our room is just over there. Low tide siya. Good swimming, Riker. Did you catch the birdies? Ang layo ni Riker, guys, oh. Bay pala to, and hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko ba it's a bay, that's why wala siyang waves. Okay?
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
We found the hammock. There's a chest. Riker, are we playing or not? Hey? Fishies. Si Riker nandito. Good girl. Well done. You guys, nandito kami sa adult pool. Tingnan niyo sir. Because nasa kids club ang mga kids. Nag-hire kami ng nanny each para sa kanila for 3 hours. And we already had 1 hour. Huh?
It's gone so quick.
Diba? First time namin mag-hire ng nanny. And tinanong ko naman yung babae. Yung PJ yan, and she looked after disability kids naman. So, confident naman with Harley. And okay naman yung iwan. So, may punta tayo sa pool. Ah, ganda! And dito rin pala kami magdi-dinner mamaya. So, they have a restaurant there. Sabi fine dining yan, but it's not. I mean, I looked at the menu yesterday. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-fine dine. But yeah, they don't really allow. They only have a time limit for the kids there to dine. Cheers, my love. Look at the sunset, you guys. Nandito kami sa fine dining restaurant. Patapos na kumain yung kids, kami pang... Is this the first course, babe? First course? This one. Tuna tartar. Hindi ko pala na-videohan, diba? Look at the view here, guys. It's unreal. So nice, no? Harley's just here. Nagko-coloring in. ouchie. Poor ate. You say sorry. Poor ate. Cheeky boy talaga to. Sige. Susumbong yan kay mama. Come here. Poor ate. Poor ate. You're a bit rough, Riker. Your brother's rough, hey? Good afternoon, you guys. Good afternoon na, no? And we are back in Adelaide. I think this is the first vlog that we're back. We got back on the 9th of October nga ng tanghali. And kinagabihan punta kami ni Ben sa basketball. May basketball game kasi, and we didn't took the kids na kasi madaling araw kami nag-fly no. I mean, nagising nun. So, pagod na yung kids. So, si mother yung nagbantay. So, now, we're gonna watch a basketball again tonight. So, how many home games? We have 3? We have
This is the third one.
Yeah.
And then we got another one Thursday night. That's the fourth one.
Yeah, so maraming home games this week. Tanghali na ako nakapag-open ng vlog kasi nag-edit ako kanina and house chores, ang dami kong labahin, oh my god, from sa holiday. So nasama lang kami kay Ben para pumunta sa isang store. I think ito yung pinakamalayo naming store eh. Sala lang kami and then we'll come home. Then kailangan magluto ng dinner kasi late night, 7:30 yung game tonight. So maka-dinner pa kami sa bahay. I think Rikers, kaya kami sumama kasi for sure makakatulog to para makapag-nap siya. Kasi or else matutulog yan sa basketball game, no? And we don't want that. So lucky we came because so you can sleep.
Mom, we're going to the airport.
Are we?
Yeah.
Not for a while. Unless Daddy bring us to Sydney. Ben's going to Sydney.
Yeah, no, 3 weeks.
In 3 weeks. Just for a couple of days, no?
Yeah, 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days. Sabi ko, sama mo kami. Pero punta kasi kami niyan sa Melbourne for Christmas. So mag-road trip kami. And we'll probably have another road trip somewhere between November, no?
Yes, good idea.
So yun ang aming holidays. And then we'll plan our holidays for next year soon. We're thinking of going to Philippines.
Of course.
Pero hindi namin alam kung January or April.
Okay, can you
April
see the
kasi
aeroplanes?
namin eh, anniversary namin ni Ben. 10 years na kami, so it's a big one, hey? So but
10
we're
years
probably
of happiness.
we're gonna go to Philippines.
Riker, have a walk.
Because we love Boracay and he realized he loves Boracay when we went to Fiji.
Boracay is the best.
Boracay is the best.
Best for a family.
Yeah. Kasi nandun na lahat eh. You know? Pwede ka dun sa quiet part, which is yung pinag-i-stayan namin at Crimson, or pwede ka dun sa busy part sa station 2 or 1. You know, maraming gawain. Unlike sa Fiji, maganda naman siya, but I don't think we're gonna go back there again. No?
No.
Kasi hindi siya, wala lang ibang magawa kundi magstay lang sa resort. Para sa amin na. And then, I think Boracay still have the best beach. Ha? Huh?
And that's it.
Yung sand. No, kasi medyo mabato eh.
Food too.
And yeah, yung pagkain. Tulog na si Riker Flynn. Oh, diba? At least he'll have a 30 minutes sleep. We're here at Uluru Peninsula. Ay, hindi ko nakita. Dito na pala kami sa mall, guys. Kanina pa. Lalakad-lakad kami dito sa Colonnades. Diba? First time ko dito. Ayan, pauwi na pala kami, guys. So, dumaan lang kami nga sa store. And pumunta kami doon sa isang shopping center na hindi ko pa nga napuntahan. Taga dito kasi banda sila, ano eh. Mick and Mary. So, doon kami nag-tambay. Because Ben and Mick had a coffee. So, I went to Big W. And binalan ko si Harley. Yeah. So, binalan ko si Harley nung ito yung sunuot niya sa Fiji. itong linen pants. Nude color yun, and then binilang ko siya ng yellow, and yung top same style din, and different color lang, white. Ang cute eh, ang cute ng outfit na to. Very relaxed. Riker's awake. Are you ready to go to the basketball? Hello.
Good job.
Are we gonna go to the basketball, Holly?
Good job, Harley.
Yes?
Yes.
You guys, dinner na pala kami bago kami punta ng basketball.
Come here. Later, you gotta have dinner first.
Ito pala yung aking outfit for tonight. All neutral. Wait, kunin ko yung bag. And nag-hot lang ako. Kasi hindi ko pa naligo yung aking hair. Nag-makeup pa ako niyan, guys. Pero sige pa naman tayo mag-makeup eh. Kaya na tayo kasi bilisan ko pa yung kids. Ayan, we're off to the game, guys. We're early. How many minutes? 40? 40 minutes early. But the kids are excited. Are you excited, Rika? May dala akong jacket niyan. Pero hindi naman kasi ganun kalamig. Ngayon, dito na kami. Daming tao. You got your clapper, Baba?
It's coming. I know you're running. You ready? You ready? You ready? Prepare to leave. It's sexy and memory. I'm a soldier. My blood is cold. And I'm shutting you down. It's over. I'm bringing it higher.
Si Harry naka-phone na, guys. We lost. We kind of knew that we're gonna lose tonight. Kasi Sydney Kings, it's a big game. And they're really good.
But the kids were good, weren't they?
But the kids were good. Because most of the time, nasa phone sila eh. Harley, nasanay na naman sila sa phone, I know. Kasi magbakasyon kami.
Harley watched the Dancing Girls at half time.
Oh yeah.
And Riker watched the first 5 or 6 minutes.
He did.
Yeah.
So, but I'm gonna try na lend them off the phone again. Anyway, that was good. Good fun. Always good fun sa basketball. ba? Yeah, we lost. But another game on Thursday. And Hallie's back to school on Tuesday. Rikers on Monday. And yeah. Late game to, so it's already 9:40. Pagod na tong mga batang to. Hey, Riker! Ayan, tulog na sila you guys. So, magtupi muna ako bago ako magilamos and all. Dahil tatlong basket ang aking tupiin.